Hey there, savvy savers! Welcome back to Money Does Matters, where we're all about helping you stretch that dollar and make the most of your hard-earned cash. And today, we've got a super exciting topic for you. We're diving into the 10 things we've bought that have actually saved us money in the long run. Yep, you heard that right, spending to save. Let's jump right into it. Thing number 1. Reusable water bottle. Alright, let's kick things off with this bad boy. Say goodbye to those expensive single-use plastic bottles that not only harm the environment but also dent your wallet. With a reusable water bottle, you're not only doing your part for Mother Earth but also saving a ton of dough. Plus, you can customize it to match your style. Win-win! Next, the thing number 2. Programmable thermostat. Who would have thought that controlling the temperature of your humble abode could save you some serious cash? Well, with a programmable thermostat, you can do just that. Set it to adjust when you're not home, and watch those energy bills shrink faster than you can say smart investment. Great! We go to the thing number 3. Slow cooker. The slow cooker, the unsung hero of the kitchen. Not only does it whip up delicious meals with minimal effort, but it also saves you a boatload on dining out. Throw in some ingredients in the morning, and voila! Dinner is served by the time you get home. Talk about a tasty way to save. Next, which is number 4. It's a library card. Who needs to buy books when you've got a library card? Seriously, folks, libraries are a goldmine for free entertainment. From books to movies to even video games, you name it, chances are your local library has it. So why spend money when you can borrow for free? Thing number 5. It's reusable shopping bags. Say goodbye to those pesky plastic bags and hello to reusable ones. Not only are they better for the environment, but many stores even offer discounts when you bring your own bags. Plus, they're sturdier, so you can load them up with all your goodies without fear of them breaking. You won't believe for the number 6. Bike! Yes, it's bike! Want to save money on gas and get a workout in at the same time? Get yourself a bike! Whether it's for commuting or just cruising around town, biking is not only cost-effective but also great for your health. Plus, you'll feel like a kid again. What's not to love? Let's continue to the thing number 7. Meal prep containers. Meal prep, the holy grail of saving money on food. With the right containers, you can batch cook meals for the week ahead, saving you both time and money. Plus, you'll be less tempted to order takeout when you've got a fridge full of delicious homemade meals. Great! We are having the thing number 8. Reusable coffee mug. Calling all coffee lovers. Ditch the disposable cups and invest in a reusable mug. Not only will you save money on your daily caffeine fix, but you'll also do your part in reducing waste. And let's be real, coffee just tastes better when it's sipped from your favorite mug. Next, the thing number 9. Quality pair of shoes. Hear me out on this one. While it may seem counterintuitive to spend more on shoes up front, investing in a quality pair can actually save you money in the long run. Cheaper shoes tend to wear out quickly, meaning you'll find yourself shelling out cash for replacements more often. So do your feet and your wallet a favor and splurge a little on a durable pair. Can't wait for the last one. Thing number 10. Refillable razor. Last but certainly not least, we have the refillable razor. Say goodbye to those overpriced disposable razors and hello to a more sustainable and budget-friendly option. Sure, the initial investment may be a bit higher, but trust me, you'll thank yourself when you're not constantly forking over cash for razor refills. And there you have it, folks, 10 things we've bought that have actually saved us money. Who knew that spending a little upfront could lead to big savings down the line? If you want to add other things other than I have mentioned earlier, I am happy to read your comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more money-saving tips. Until next time, remember, when it comes to your finances, every penny counts. Happy saving! Bye for now!